Yeah, the judge in this case may have delayed the sentencing in this murder trial, but not everyone feels that this will result in a delay of justice. It's the kind of murder where even when a killer is caught, it's hard to find a sense of justice.
Those children lost a mother, they lost a father now to prison.
But at least the judicial aspect would be over, or so it seemed. 55-year-old Joseph Pileshi was all set to be sentenced in Macomb County for the shooting death of his own wife, Karen, at their home in Clinton Township. But the judge decided to postpone the sentencing until they could do it in person. County prosecutor Pete Lucido thinks this might not be a bad thing in the long run. For one, victim impact statements may be more effective.
You have that opportunity to go ahead and say things from your heart, that you've had a chance to sit back and reflect, and it's not going to happen on Zoom, and it's not going to happen the way it should be.
But there may be a benefit for the accused as well, a chance for Pileshi to say goodbye to his aging father. Lucido says it's unlikely that had much weight in the judge's decision.
The fact that somebody wants to hug their father because they may never see their father again, that's not really what we look to. At the end of the day, it's what's in the best interest for the people that we serve. That is the folks here in the state of Michigan, in particular the victims and their families that are left behind.
The murder happened back on January 16th at the couple's home near 18 Mile in Garfield. The suspect's wife died of a single gunshot wound to the head. They had a family-owned restaurant called Villa, a fixture in East Point for more than 6 decades. Their deep roots only speak to the huge impact the murder and the trial has had.
Don't we all look to justice as a way to try to set a standard for some type of closure? I don't know if there'll ever be closure and wreck in peace with this family.
As for what's next, this case is set to reconvene for the sentencing portion in mid-June with the hopes that everyone will be there in the courtroom. And if the judge follows the sentencing guidelines, the suspect could spend up to 12 years in prison for second-degree murder. Reporting live tonight, Dave Spencer, Fox 2 News.
Dave, do we have any idea what led to the shooting?
Yeah, we don't know many of the details because this is a plea deal, although when we covered this case back in January, we were told by police that alcohol was involved in this incident.